Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to zoom text in After Effects. First, open After Effects and create a new composition. Set your composition to a duration of around 10 seconds and a frame rate of 24 frames per second. Next, select the Type tool from the toolbar and add your text. Use the Selection tool to position the text layer in the center of your screen. This ensures a smooth, focused zoom for your animation. Now, let's animate the text scale. Expand your text layer in the timeline and find the transform properties. Click the stopwatch icon next to scale to create your first keyframe. Set this initial scale value to 0%. Move your playhead forward by about 1 second, then change the scale value to 100%. This creates a basic zoom-in effect, making your text appear from nothing to its full size. To make your zoom animation look professional, we need to refine the keyframes. Select both scale keyframes in the timeline, right-click, and choose Keyframe Assistant, then Easy Ease. This smooths the acceleration and deceleration of the zoom. For more precise control, open the graph editor. Here, you can drag the handles of the speed graph to fine-tune the animation's curve, making the zoom faster or slower at specific points. Finally, let's add some polish to your zoomed text. Enable motion blur for your text layer by clicking its switch in the timeline, then activate it for the entire composition. This adds a realistic blur during the rapid zoom. You can also add a glow effect from the Effects and Presets panel to make your text pop. For a dramatic impact, consider adding a subtle camera shake expression to the composition, giving the zoom a powerful, dynamic feel.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.